everybody! Today we're going to be testing out these two tow trucks and see which one is better. And, yeah, I just ran out of ideas. I just wanted to do this. Because I do want to test these to the maximum power that I can do. With that being said, let's just jump right into it. Now, the first one I will be doing is this tow truck. And the first challenge we're going to be doing, so there's 3 challenges. Going through a racetrack, going through mud, and going up hills. This one is the going up hills one. I will do the, so there will be points on the screen. I cannot see them, but you guys can. There will be points on the screen where it will determine who is better. The flatbed or this tow truck. I actually have no idea what the heck this tow truck is even called. But it goes through that pretty easily. I had to use that tow truck over there, the flatbed. So this one, since I didn't feel like getting a trailer. I feel like even with traction control on, I don't think it will make it. Up. Oh! Okay, that's surprising. I'm surprised they actually made it up that. Wow. Okay, what about these bumps? I bet you will just bond them out. Yep, I see it. Yep. What did I expect? Man, what do I expect from that truck? No, let's test out on those bigger bumps. Whee! Come on, go. Let's see, can you beat the flatbed? I really just don't use this tow truck a lot. That's why I want to test these both to see which one has the better capabilities. And yeah. I'm gonna just park you right here. Let's see. It's the flatbed tow truck time. Oh, what the heck happened to the sky? The hay? Let's see what in there. Skirt, skirt. Oh, that was a good drift. And I do have suspension raised up almost all the way on the flatbed, so I think it'll be a bit better on the bumps. I also have the engine touched up just a bit. You know what, I'm just going to call it the black tow truck over there, the hook up tow truck. Since, well, you have to hook up to the car. Can I actually make it up there? Yeah, I didn't think so. Yeah, I didn't think it would make it up here. No, I'm going to try one more time and see if it can. Drifter! This truck has a drifting. It drifts a lot. Come on now. You can make it up. Oh. Okay, darn. I guess that's 1 point to the hookup tow truck. Apparently. Alright guys, I'm gonna bring this tow truck and the other tow truck to the other destination in just a pitch. You'll not even know I'm here. See ya. Just like that. We are at the next destination. The mud rally. Let's just see which tow truck can get through the mud and that hill up there. Bonus hill over there. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go! I want to see which one can do fire stuff. Yeah. Actually, I will turn on my lights so you guys can see. Also, sorry if it's a bit laggy for y'all. It's just like this when I screen record. I don't know why. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Let's see if we can make it up there without that much speed. Bet you can. It did the first challenge pretty well, so I think it'll do the second one pretty well. And just like that, without even that much speed, it still got up here. I'm surprised. Like, even though I have not used this tow truck in a long time, I did not know that its performance would be this good. Let's do the bonus hill, which is that one. It's this one. Weave. I can't believe I just got stuck. That is crazy. Oh! No way! No way, buddy! No way, buddy! No way! No skibbity way! Ain't no way it just made that hill. That hill is very difficult to do, even with a really good vehicle. But whoa, jeez, was that good? Alright, the truck is a bit dirty. I'm gonna park it right here. And get the other truck ready. Alright. Beep, 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 beep. Scoot over just a bit. The tourniquet build on this truck ain't that good, but, you know, it doesn't matter. But in 3, 2, 1. Alright. This truck can drift a lot. I don't really know, but I don't really know why, but it drifts really good. I don't understand that though. Whee! Again, I turned on the lights so you can see the truck pilot and the track. Yeah, look at that. It just drifted. I don't know why. I think this truck has a bit less of traction. Yeah. Beep. Let's go through here. Whee. Okay, let's see. I want to see if this can make it even. Like, okay, let's see, like, right here. I lost all my speed, though. 3, 2, 1. The takeoff on this isn't that good. I've tested this truck before, and it feels pretty fast. I'm gonna be surprised if it does make it. Actually, it doesn't. I'm gonna be surprised if it doesn't. Because I've tested out this truck a lot of times, and oh my gosh, is it good. Let's do this bonus one. And let's see if we can do it, even though it's a drifter. Whee! Weave! You know, actually none of them get points from the previous challenge. Actually, what? Just because the black hookup tow truck made it, I'll give it a point. And, neither of these, I actually want both of them get a point because, well, it's a tie. This one has 1 point, and the hookup tow truck has 2. Alright, both of them have, one, so the hookup tow truck has 2 points, this one has only 1 point. I'm gonna go to the racetrack and see which one is faster. Anyways, I'm gonna get these on here, take them to the car wash, and then I'll bring them to the track. You won't even know I was driving. See ya. And just like that, I just told you. You won't even know I was driving. Alrighty. So this The hookup tow truck has 2 points, and the flatbed has 1. We're at the 3rd and final stage. Now for this one, I will put a timer on. Actually, I don't know how to do that. So I guess I'll just time it with the, I don't know. I'll time it with something. Anyways, in 3, 2, 1, go. Again, sorry it's very laggy for y'all. It's just because I'm screen recording. My phone just doesn't act good when I'm screen recording. I don't know why. Wee! 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 Also, please comment down below if you guys want to see more of Forsaken. I guess it's not the game I'm playing, but I've done Forsaken in the past, and I seriously want to do more again. Alright, I think that truck finished in around a minute, I think 30 seconds. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go. This truck is a bit faster because I did modify it. I know it's kind of cheating, but I just don't use the hookup tow truck a lot. I use the flatbed a lot more, especially in my vids. Like if you look at my towing videos, you'll know how much I use this tow truck. Why? Because I love it. Like this tow truck is so cool and all, and plus it's a new one. Makes it around that turn. I believe this will make it in around the same time. This one finished in a minute and 33 seconds. And the winner for this challenge is, well, let me count the points. So, this one got the first point. They both, okay, so this one is up to 2 points. The flatbed is up to, I think around, it is 2-3. Okay, so the hookup tow truck wins the round, or wins the challenge. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. If you guys want to see more of this content on the channel, be sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell, baby. Anyways, see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Love y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.